Welcome to this Angular HeatMap Chart tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to customize the Syncfusion Angular HeatMap Chart component using bubbles. You will also explore the different types of bubbles supported. First, I open an existing Angular application where I have already added the Angular HeatMap Chart component with an array data source. To see how to get started with the HeatMap Chart component, refer to the video link in the card above or the video description below. Let me run this application using the command ngserve to show the initial demo. Look here, the HeatMap Chart component is rendered with the defined data source. By default, the heat map cells are rendered in a rectangular shape. You can customize the appearance of the cells by using the tile type property. To demonstrate, I define an object named cell settings, and within it, I set the tile type property to bubble. Then I assign this object to the cell settings property of the heat map chart. Look here, the heat map cells are now rendered as bubbles of the same size and different colors. Data variations are represented by different colors. In addition to the default color bubbles, the bubbles can be rendered with different size, sector, and size and color to indicate different values. Now I will show you how to render the heat map chart with differently sized bubbles. I set the bubble type property to size. You can see the bubbles are rendered in different sizes. Here, the large bubbles denote the larger data values, whereas the small bubbles denote smaller data values. Next, let's see how to render the heat map chart using the sector bubble type. I set the bubble type property to sector. Checking the chart, the heat map chart is now rendered with bubbles of the same size, but they are in different sectors. With this bubble type, the sector of the bubble indicates the magnitude of the data point. The sector will be larger for higher magnitude data points. Next, I will modify the bubble type to size and color. I define an object named palette settings with palette colors to differentiate the heat map cells. Then I assign this object to the palette settings property of the heat map chart. Notice the bubbles are rendered with different sizes and colors based on their data point values. By default, the lower value data points have smaller bubbles and the higher value data points have larger bubbles. If you would like to display larger bubbles for lower value data points and smaller bubbles for higher value data points, use the is-inverse bubble size property. To demonstrate, I set the is-inverse bubble size property to true. Notice the lower value data points have larger bubbles, and the higher value data points have smaller bubbles. In this video, I have shown you how to customize the appearance of the Syncfusion Angular HeatMap Chart using bubbles. You have also seen the different types of bubbles supported by the component. You can download the example used in this video from the GitHub link in the video description. I have also provided a link to see if you qualify for a free license key to use our Angular components through our community license. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.